Critter's Whimsy Tales presents Yuki's Magical Necklace. One warm afternoon, Yuki and her mother were cleaning their house porch. As Yuki swept the porch, she inadvertently disturbed a hive of bees nestled nearby. The bees, angered and confused, swarmed out in a furious cloud. Yuki's heart raced as she felt the first sting on her arm, followed by another on her neck. She braced herself for the pain, but to her astonishment, a soft, warm light emanated from the necklace. The bees, as if repelled by an invisible barrier, fell to the ground, lifeless, their stingers unable to penetrate her skin. The commotion drew the villagers. They watched in awe as the necklace's magic shielded Yuki from harm. That evening, Yuki placed the necklace in a small wooden box by her bedside, its glow dimming as she drifted into a peaceful sleep. Unbeknownst to her, a shadow lurked outside her window. A villager with a heart consumed by envy had witnessed the necklace's power. The next morning, Yuki awoke to find her necklace missing. She ran through the village, searching for it, and found a trail of glitter. Determined to retrieve the necklace, Yuki followed the trail into the Enchanted Forest. Finally, she reached the entrance of a dark cave. Yuki found her good friend, Miyu, sitting at a corner inside the cave. Miyu was clutching the necklace in her hand. "Yuki, I'm sorry," Miyu cried. "I thought the necklace would give me protection, but it brought me here instead." Miyu handed the necklace back to Yuki and Yuki forgave Miyu. They both returned to the village. Miyu learned a lesson not to covet things which do not belong to her. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more adventures.